For day 11 notes, we're still multiplying polynomials. This is the last day of multiplying polynomials. And in this case, we have a 2 by 3, meaning we have a binomial times a trinomial. So my array here, which looks like a rectangle, but it's a 2 by 3. So 2 rows by 3 columns. And I'm just going to go ahead and label. So on the side, I'm going to use the x and the 4. Okay, again, I'm going to put a 1 and a little exponent of 1. At the top, I have 2x squared, a negative 3x, and a 6. Make sure you watch your signs. So, multiply, add exponents. Multiply, add exponents. 1x times 6, 6x. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. Bring my x squared down. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. Bring my x down. And 4 times 6 is 24. My diagonals can combine. So I start with the highest exponent. And we have 2x to the third. 8 minus 3 is 5. X squared. Negative 12 plus 6 is negative 6x. And then lastly, we have 24. Okay, in part B, it's just switched around. It's a trinomial times a binomial. I'm still going to put the 2x minus 7 on the side. And then I have the 3x squared x negative 5. So, distribute the 2x, and we get 6. Add your x's, we get x to the third. So 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 and 1 make x squared. 2x times negative 5 is negative 10x. Negative 7 times 3 is negative 21x squared. Negative 7 times 1x is negative 7x. Negative 7 times negative 5 is 35. I'm going to combine these x squareds and get 6x to the third. This becomes negative 19x squared. That becomes negative 17x. And lastly, I bring the 35 down. Okay, letter C. We have 3x and a negative 5. On the top, we have 6x squared, negative 2x, and a positive 11. So let's start multiplying and adding exponents. That would be negative 6x squared. That would be 33x. Then I have negative 5 times 6x squared. So that would be negative 30x squared. Negative 5 times negative 2 is 10x. And then negative 5 times 11 is negative 55. I check my diagonals, and they will combine, same x. So I have 18x to the third minus 36x squared plus 43x, lastly, minus 55. Okay, last, letter D. X minus 3. There's only 2 terms here, so I'm going to write it to the side. Remember, when you have just an x, you can put that 1 in front and that little 1 for the exponent. At the top, I'm going to put the trinomial. So 7x squared, 2x, and a negative 6. So if I multiply, we get 7. Add exponents, we get 3. Okay, 1x to the first times 2x to the first would be 2x squared. 1x times negative 6 is negative 6x. 7 times negative 3 is negative 21x squared. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Bring your x down. Negative 3 times negative 6 is 18. We can combine those, and we would get 7x to the third minus 19x squared. Add, keep your sign, so negative 12x, and 18.